Hi, my name is Anggeu Agesti Amelia. You can call me Anggeu or Eci. I was born in Bandung on 17 August 2001. I live in Bandung. I studied at Bandung Business School majoring in Manajemen. I live with my parents. I have one brother, one sister, and two younger sisters. My hobby are watching movie, traveling, and cooking, but my cooking is not very good. I usually wake up at 5 a.m. I never forget to make my bed and clean it. Then I took a bath and pray. After that, I have my mother to have breakfast, and then I have breakfast with my family. We usually have hot tea, milk, and fried rice. Then I go ready for the online class. I start the online class around 7 a.m. to 12 noon. After that, I pray, watching TV, and talk a nap. Then I wake up around 3 p.m. I always take a shower at 5 p.m. Then I watching TV while watching for the time to pray. After that, I go ready again for online class around 7 p.m. And then after finishing the class, I do some assessment and relax by opening social media. I went to bed at 10 p.m. When I have free time, such as weekend, if there are no class, I sometimes use that time just to relax, or I walk around the city by motorbike, enjoying the city breeze and seeing the beautiful scenery. I really like if the trip is done in the afternoon before nightfall. Besides that, sometimes if they schedule and I like it, I always make time to just watch the cinema. Usually, I watch the cinema every week. If I have a lot of, I like watching the most watch a movie in the late afternoon. I live in Bandung. I really feel happy living in Bandung because Bandung is a beautiful city and the right healing place for some people, including myself. I can do the activity I like here because many places I like are here. Like many a cinema that I can visit because I really like it. Then a tea garden or other healing place that is cool and cool. And always give a sense of calm when visiting there. Besides that, there are many aesthetic highways. I really like walking around the city in the afternoon, and I feel very lucky to be born in this beautiful city, Bandung. If you want to go to Braga for campus using a motorbike, you just turn right toward Lengkong, then keep going straight until intersection 5. After that, at intersection 5, turn left to Asia Africa. In Asia Africa, turn right to Braga.